Jordan Brand continues to expand its Spring 2026 retro lineup with a fresh Air Jordan 1 Low release that is already catching attention. This pair arrives in a bold black and scream green color combination that clearly nods to the iconic Altitude Air Jordan 13 from 2005. That original colorway played a big role in shaping the post-Michael Jordan era of Team Jumpman, making this new release feel both nostalgic and modern. What sets this Air Jordan 1 Low apart is the use of textured patent leather across the forefoot, lower heel, tongue, and signature swooshes, giving the shoe a premium and eye-catching finish. The clean two-tone design keeps it versatile while still delivering strong visual impact. Official images highlight the sharp contrast and refined details. Expect this Air Jordan 1 Low to release through Nike and Jordan Brand channels around April 2026, making it a must-watch for collectors and everyday sneaker fans alike.